Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into a critical issue at the intersection of mathematics, technology, and social justice: mathematical bias. In our increasingly data-driven world, algorithms are making decisions that profoundly impact our lives, from loan applications to job opportunities to criminal justice. But what happens when those algorithms reinforce existing inequalities? We often think of mathematics as objective, neutral, and unbiased. Numbers don't lie, right? But the application of mathematics, especially in the form of algorithms, is never neutral. It's always embedded in a social context, shaped by human choices and susceptible to human biases. An algorithm is essentially a set of instructions, a mathematical model designed to process data and make predictions or decisions. But where does that data come from? And who designed the algorithm? These are crucial questions. The data used to train algorithms often reflects existing social inequalities. For example, if historical data on loan applications shows that a certain demographic group has been denied loans at a higher rate, an algorithm trained on that data might learn to perpetuate that discrimination, even if race or gender are not explicitly included as variables. The algorithm sees the pattern and replicates it. This is what we call algorithmic bias. It's not necessarily intentional malice. It's often the result of unconscious biases embedded in the data and the design choices made by the algorithm's creators. We can apply Foucault's analysis to algorithms. The algorithms themselves and the data they use are part of a discourse about who is creditworthy, who is likely to commit a crime, who is a good fit for a job. This discourse is shaped by existing power structures and social biases. For example, facial recognition technology has been shown to be less accurate for people of color, particularly women of color. This is because the datasets used to train these algorithms often overrepresent white male faces. The algorithm, in a sense, learns to see white men better, reinforcing a form of technological bias that has real-world consequences. It's not just about the data, it's also about the design choices. What factors are considered relevant by the algorithm? What is the algorithm optimized for? A predictive policing algorithm, for example, might be optimized to predict where crime is most likely to be reported, not necessarily where crime is most likely to occur. This can lead to over-policing of already marginalized communities, creating a feedback loop of bias. So, what can we do? We need to be critically aware of the potential for bias in algorithms. We need to demand transparency in how these systems are designed and deployed. We need to advocate for fairness and accountability in the use of data and algorithms. And we need to diversify the field of data science, ensuring that the people creating these technologies represent the diversity of the communities they impact. This is not just a technical problem, it's a social and ethical problem. It requires a multifaceted approach, combining technical expertise with a critical understanding of power, discourse, and social justice. The mathematics itself might be neutral, but its application never is. What are your thoughts? How can we ensure that algorithms serve to promote equality rather than reinforce inequality? Share your ideas in the comments. And if you found this video important, please like, subscribe, and share it widely. Thanks for watching.